Stop letting your bank take your money. Here are 4 ways to avoid common fees in the USA. Meet waiver requirements. Most banks waive monthly maintenance fees if you maintain a minimum daily balance or have a qualifying monthly direct deposit. Prevent overdrafts. Enable real-time low balance alerts in your mobile app to avoid overdraft fees. Link a savings account to your checking account for overdraft protection, which is often cheaper than per-item overdraft charges. Use in-network ATMs. To avoid out-of-network surcharges, only use your bank's branded ATMs. Alternatively, select cashback at grocery store checkout counters to get cash for free. Opt for digital banking. Avoid paper statement fees by enrolling in e-statements, which also improves your account security. If you are hit with a one-time fee, call customer service. Banks often waive fees as a one-time courtesy if you have a good account history. Manage your account actively to keep your hard-earned money. Subscribe for more financial tips.